Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our story time for today. I am Lila Garza. I am the library coordinator at Tolleson Public Library, and today we're going to be doing some singing and some talking about books and looking through some books for toddlers and for preschool age children. So for pre-literacy practices, every day we want to be working on 5 daily practices. Those are talk, sing, read, write, play. I'm going to start by singing a welcome song for us. Today I'm going to be singing the song, The More We Get Together. I'm going to start singing in 1, 2, 3. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause my friends are your friends and your friends are my friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you a really excellent book that you can be using to spark conversations. So using nonfiction books with toddlers and preschool age children, especially books that feature real photographs, is a really great way to get conversation started. So I'm going to be showing you a book today called How to Make a Rainbow. And this is available on Hoopla Digital. It's our streaming platform. So I already have this pulled up as an ebook, and I'm just going to flip through some of the pages and kind of show you how it works. So it's How to Make a Rainbow. And it starts by going through how a rainbow is actually made, right? So like with sunshine and moisture, some different colors you see in the rainbow. And then it goes through all of these different color pages with real photographs of things. So you can see fire trucks and apples, rubies, watermelon, birds. And you can be using these pictures to ask all kinds of questions and have all kinds of conversations with kids in this age range about things that they like to eat, things that they might have seen outside, sounds that things might make. You can be talking about the different tones of colors. What's lighter, what's darker? What do you think it might feel like? Or have you ever touched one of these things? And it just goes through all the colors of the rainbow, and it's a wonderful little conversation book. So whenever you're using nonfiction books with kids, and they have photos of real things, it's a really great opportunity to be talking. And talking is one of the most important pre-literacy practices that we do every day. Talking is teaching. Okay, so the second thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to sing you a little song. And this is a really great song for kids to be playing around with the physical pronunciation of words. So it's a really great song that kind of stretches out some of the sounds so that they're really getting a feel of how their mouth is actually shaping some of those different pronunciations. And it's also very fun. So this is a song called Ah Went the Little Green Frog. And I'm going to start singing in 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah went the little green frog one day. Ah went the little green frog. Ah went the little green frog one day. Ah went the little green frog. But we all know frogs go sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na-na. We all know frogs go sha-na-na-na-na. They don't go ah. Then we're going to do fish. Ready? Bloop, bloop, went the little blue fish one day. Bloop, bloop, went the little blue fish. Bloop, bloop, went the little blue fish one day. Bloop, bloop, went the little blue fish. But we all know fish go kissy, kissy, kiss. Kissy, kissy, kiss. Kissy, kissy, kiss. We all know fish go kissy, kissy, kiss. They don't go bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, so there we see a lot of different pronunciations, right? We've got some ooh, we've got some eh, we've got some some ah. So it's really helping kiddos in that age range get a sense of how to physically make sounds with their mouth, which of course is important for language development. And as they move into reading and they're emerging readers, it's very important for phonics. And for phonetic awareness, which is the linking up of the sound to the letter or to the letter combination. So the last thing that I'm going to show you today is actually a combination of the 3 practices: read, write, and play. Okay. So this is a wonderful little book that I'm a big fan of called This is the Sun. And I'm going to show you how this works and how you can replicate something very similar at home. Okay. So on the first page, this just says, this is the sun. It's a picture of the sun. But it builds on that image to make a new pattern, right? So in this case, they took the orange lines of the sun, made it into an arch in between each one, colored it yellow, and now it's a flower. Then they make a face, and it's a lion. They had some leaves, and now it's a dandelion. Getting some imaginative play in there. They do the same thing, right, with a pink worm. It's got segments. Then they turn the worm into a soft hat, a jellyfish. They turn the jellyfish tentacles into a leaf, and now it's a snail. They add some eyes. And a gray rock. Turn the gray rock into a spotted egg. Turn that into a bug shell. This is a little bug. And then they change up perception on the last page by adding another object and saying, no, this is a very big bug. And that's evidenced by, of course, the little object next to it, which of course is a big house. So this sense of scale that you're introducing, which is a mathematical concept, as well as an important abstract concept about perception. So there's a really great picture book that I recommend that I'm going to show you that's also available on Hoopla on our streaming platform. And this is called You Are Not Small. It's available as an audiobook and as what's called an animated storybook. So again, 5 daily practices: talk, sing, read, write, play. If you're interested in doing a similar activity like the one that we saw in This is the Sun, great way to combine read, write, play is to just be taking an object or even a line if you want to start very simple, and then just kind of building on it interactively, just like they did with the sun. So maybe the child can make the sun, and then you turn that sun into something else, right? Just like they did here with the flower. And coming up with this story. So whenever they're drawing with crayons, of course they're working on the fine motor skills that they're going to need to hold pencils and to be constructing their own stories. But that's something that you can be writing together as well. And then once you make a very simple object, you can of course be writing the simple sentence together, just like they did here. This is the sun, to practice writing. And of course, once they are older preschoolers, you can actually be isolating the sounds and sounding it out together as well, since these are very simple sentences. Okay? So I hope that you have fun with your story times at home, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. I am going to leave you now with our closing song, See You Later, Alligator. I'm going to start singing in 3. 1, 2, 3. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, give a roar, dinosaur. Glare, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Bye, friends.